Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on my daughter's request. It's her demand, you can say. She wants this dish, a sizzler palette. Because it's a lockdown, kids they can't go out. I think it's happening to so many kids now. And they are craving for those restaurants foods. So it's her demand. Too much hard work. But let's try and let's prepare this sizzler palette. So let's go ahead and see how I'm preparing this palette. Hard work is over. Cooking is done. Let me serve her the food. Hope she will like it. What do you think? Funny thing, do you know? She gives me the rating. So let me see today what will be my rating today about this dish. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. If you like my recipe, like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.